Hello dear fans. How to determine the distance on the map. Any map is a reduced image of some territory. The factor that shows how much the image is reduced in relation to the real object is called scale. Knowing it, you can determine the distance on the map. For real-life maps on paper, the scale is a fixed value. For virtual, electronic maps, this value changes along with the change in the magnification of the map image on the monitor screen. Instructions. Step 1. If your map is paper-based, find its description, which is called a legend. Most often, it is located outside the frame. The legend must indicate the scale of the map, which will tell you how much the distance measured in centimeters on this map will be in reality, on the ground. So, if the scale is 1/15,000, then this means that 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 150 meters on the ground. If the scale of the map is 1/200,000, then 1 centimeter plotted on it is equal to 2 kilometers in reality. Step 2. City or from one settlement to another, then your route will consist of straight line segments. You will not move in a straight line, but along a route that runs along streets and roads. Step 3. In fact, the distance between the start and end point of your path will be longer than the distance measured between the start and end point of your path. To make the measurements accurate, plot your route on the map in the form of short and long straight segments, determine their sum and find out the actual distance that you need to cover. Step 4. To determine the distance from an electronic map, you can use one of the many geographic information programs that can be found on the internet. There are specialized programs used by transport companies. Having set the starting and final destination, settlement, you can get a map on which your route will be plotted and its total distance and the distance between the nodal points of the route will be indicated. Step 5. The distance on the map can be measured using the ruler tool in the geoinformation packages Google Earth and Yandex Maps, which are based on space satellite images. Just turn on this tool and click on the point that marks the beginning of your route and the one where you plan to end it. The distance value can be found in any specified units. Thanks for watching.